Good morning, Moringa Monger here with the second recipe in the Moringa recipe video series. Today we're going to be starting the day off with Moringa pancakes. Just one other simple way of adding and getting Moringa into your diet, and I'll leave all the ingredients and the rest of the information in the link description. So here we go. I've already mixed everything here, as you can see, and we're going to go ahead and put this right on the skillet. We're going to go right here. Just let that sit until the bubbles start popping on the top there. When the more bubbles, you'll be able to tell when to flip it. You go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and share these videos. This is just the second video in the recipe series, adding more moringa to your diet for its health benefits. There's going to be many more to come. I have a moringa air fryer chicken recipe, and I have a moringa eggs ranchero recipe. I have a dessert moringa. That's going to be a super surprise. It looks like this is about ready to flip here. Let's see when we go here. Oh yeah, beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. Check out all my other videos pertaining to moringa on my YouTube, and like I said, share, like, and subscribe. Just another simple, easy recipe, quick and easy recipe to add more moringa to your diet. There we go. Yep, we're going to top this with a little bit of butter, some olive oil, sea salt butter, and we have some nice maple syrup here. And that's it for Moringa Monger for now. Stay tuned for more informational videos and products and everything to do with moringa. Thank you very much for watching. Have an awesome day.